Supreme Court unanimously dismisses Uber's appeal.
Huge relief after nearly 6 years of fighting. They faced appeal after appeal in the courts, but today came victory over Uber.
You can't imagine how happy I am, basically. I can't even tell you.
A decision they had to watch outside the Supreme Court because of COVID. Uber claimed these drivers didn't work for the company directly. It said bookings on their app weren't bookings with Uber, but instead just a way of bringing passengers and independent drivers together.
At the moment, the balance is in Uber's favour. They have absolutely no costs. It's the driver that carry all the costs, the liability, while they expand. So it's their interest to get as many drivers on the platform as possible, get as many customers as possible, make it as cheap as possible. But there's a human cost to it.
But today's decision means that should change.
Protection of minimum wage for every hour that they work, that they have the advantage of holiday pay. This means so much. If you're earning so little and you've got these fixed costs to finance your vehicle, that you cannot afford to stop working.
Uber drivers are part of the so-called gig economy. That's essentially people who work in non-permanent jobs. There are calls for today's ruling to be a catalyst to protect all the estimated 5 million gig workers in the UK.
We should kick on from here to establish some clear rules around what really is self-employment and what is employment. And if we're going to have a worker status, as we currently do, what does that look like as well? And make sure that there are consistent rules for employment rights and taxation across all of them.
Uber says it respects the court's ruling and will talk to drivers to understand the changes they want. Meanwhile, lawyers in today's case think their clients could each be due around £12,000 in lost earnings. Thousands more drivers are also expected to demand the same from Uber. Toby Sadler, 5 News.